معنی چی بودی؟
چه وړي
زه په خبر نه یم چې صاحب.
ډېر کم شي
دا خورور شریعت دی.
Hello, and thank you for the opportunity. Regarding your question, on 4th of January 2026, the Taliban issued the Criminal Procedure Code for courts. It's a 119-article document that replaces Afghanistan's previous legal framework. It dismantles core legal protections such as presumption of innocence, equality before the law, the right to counsel, protection from torture, and due process. Courts are turned into enforcement tools of ideology, grants judges unchecked discretionary power, and criminalizing everyday acts like criticism, dissent, or failure to inform on others. This is not reform, it's the formalization of repression. The law through Article 9 divides people by social status when it comes to punishment. Religious scholars may receive only advice or warnings for offenses, while ordinary citizens committing the same acts can face imprisonment or corporal punishment. By doing so, the law institutionalizes a two-tier justice system and directly undermines the principle of equality before the law. The code explicitly recognizes slavery as a legal category, referring to crimes committed by free persons and slaves. Article 4 and 15. It also allows masters to carry out punishments. It's a serious regression. Slavery is absolutely prohibited under international law and considered a peremptory norm. Its inclusions signals a return to pre-modern legal thinking and the erosion of human dignity. The international response was initially muted. As the law was first published only in Pashto, it was only after English and Persian translations became available that the international community began to respond. The UN Special Reporter on Afghanistan was among the first to voice concern.
Afghanistan's future should include the full, equal, and meaningful participation and respect for the human rights of its people in all their diversity, including with regard to gender and all linguistic, ethnic, religious, and other minorities. In particular, Afghanistan stands alone in the scale of its deplorable treatment of women and girls. It's vital that the international community is steadfast in this respect. To do otherwise would send a concerning message about their commitment to women everywhere.
Meanwhile, local media, NGOs, and human rights defenders have expressed shock and outrage at its announcement. It's implemented exclusively by Taliban's court and Taliban-appointed judges under the authority of the supreme leader. There is no constitution, no independent judiciary, no oversight, and women were almost entirely excluded from the legal system. Fear dominates. Many Afghans worry that everyday life, what they say, what they believe, even what they don't report, can now be criminal. People rarely speak openly because the cost of dissent is simply too high. From personal conversations, the silence itself says everything.
و قانون سرکوب جنسیتی، شکنجه، بازداشت و سانسور با بدل گردیده.
With the adaptation of this law, the Taliban will clearly become more rigid without question. They could demonstrate that the Taliban are entrenching ideology into law, not moderating, as highlighted by UN Special Reporter and civil society organizations. This is about locking repression into a permanent legal structure, not reform. Thank you so much.